name is Felipe Carreon. I am currently an assistant crew leader for the Conservation Corps of Long Beach. We are currently at DeForest Park, more specifically on the Campfire Discovery Trail. What I do here is basically I maintain the Discovery Trail and around the Campfire building since they are a partnership with us. And I just maintain this trail around their building, on the street across from the trail. I make sure that there's no graffiti, there's no weed or litter around the area. And yeah, we just maintain a clean environment for everybody around the community and the neighborhood for them to enjoy this Discovery Trail and the park that comes with it.